So does professional live video really matter? Does having great quality for your live videos really matter? Well, yes, it does. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 ways that professional live video will actually help you grow your audience and help you grow your business. Are you ready to dig in? Let's do this. So while I'm going to share with you 3 ways that live video, if done professionally, will actually help you grow your audience and grow your business, I have to start this whole conversation with one very important thing. And that is that nothing should stop you from going live in the first place. If you haven't gotten started with live video yet, or if you're not consistent yet because you don't have all of the fancy things just yet, please do not stop yourself from going live. That is all in your head. And we have other videos all about this topic. I just want you to get going live quickly. And we have resources for you, link in the description, to help you do just that and look good still. But you got to go live. But you also should have a goal of getting to the next level and to the next level and to the next level, just to make sure that you're continuing to increase your quality in a professional manner so that you can take advantage of the opportunities that I'm going to lay out for you today. I always screw it up. By the way, if you're new here, I'm Luria Petrucci and I help you create professional live video that is uniquely you. If you are new, please do type new in the comments. I want to meet you and say hi. All right, so let's get into all of this. First and foremost, I need you to understand the 4 levels of live streaming. If you've heard this before, I'm going to go over it really quickly. If you're new and you don't understand and you want to learn more, there's a video, link in the description, all about it. But first and foremost, level 1 is your phone. You can still have great looking quality video from your phone. Level 2 is going live from the browser-based services like facebook.com, youtube.com, or even BeLive. Level 3 is going live from a software downloaded on your computer like Ecamm or vMix. And level 4 is super pro quality, all of the fancy stuff, all of the ninja tricks in your software like vMix or Ecamm that will really help you take your live videos to the next level. The 3 ways that you will grow your audience and grow your business are by building trust, by increasing your viewers, and by increasing your revenue. Those are the 3 things I'm going to talk to you about today. We're going to dive in. What is professional live video? What does pro live video even mean though? Pro live video is all about the look and the feel of your video itself. So we're talking about the quality, right? So the quality should be high and thought through and professional looking. So when I talk about that, I'm talking about things like the quality of your camera, not using the onboard camera from your Mac. It should be framed well. You shouldn't be like way down here in the lower portion of the screen with all of this headroom way up here that's doing nothing. No, you want to be framed well. That is professional live video. Framing. It's also the background. Dirty laundry in the background is not professional. Things that are weird or awkward in the background, not professional. Thinking through it and making it on point is professional. And then you can't forget audio. Audio is massively important. If it sounds bad, it's not professional. So think through the audio, think through the lighting, think through the framing, think through the background. All of that is defined as professional live video. But what pro live video is not is stiffness, lacking of personality, right? Being corporate. That is not what I mean when I talk about professional live video. It's truly all in the look and the feel and the high quality of it. And when you do that, what's going to happen is that you will have instant credibility. That actually wasn't so bad for our first snap. Usually I have to try twice. So instant credibility is very much a trust thing. So people are built to actually appreciate quality. We appreciate beauty and good looking things, just generally speaking. And we put our trust into people who put their effort into the way that they look. So you're building instant credibility and instant trust just by having pro quality live streams. And in fact, here's what most people get wrong. They put all of this effort into their high quality recorded YouTube videos, and yet their live streams look like crap. Fuzzy video, bad lighting, bad framing. Like, why is it any different? It's not. So stop making it to be. The second thing that will happen when you have pro live video is that you will actually increase your viewers. Yes, that's what I said. You will actually get more viewers when your video looks great. Crazy, huh? But if you think about the instant credibility and the instant trust that happens, it's like, as one viewer said in one of our streams, it's like an ad. The fact that your video looks so great scrolling down the feed of Facebook or wherever you're streaming, it's like an ad. It's like a YouTube thumbnail, he said. I loved that comment because it's so true. Like, you're presenting the best foot forward. You're creating a great first impression that people want to click on. People don't want to click on things that look like crap. So we put our best foot forward, create that great impression, and we get more viewers just by default. People are then more likely to follow you long term. They're more likely to hit that subscribe button. They're more likely to share you with other people, with their friends. So these are things to pay attention to. And beyond that, when you actually put more effort into your pro quality and you set yourself up with the right software, what happens then is that you can actually add some sticky factors to your live streams, like putting comments up on screen, like adding pop-ups that happen when you get a super chat, or pop-ups that happen on screen when somebody follows you or likes the video. Even on our YouTube live streams, we have it set up so that our lights go off during our streams when somebody super chats. So you can create all of these fun, engagement driven activities in your live streams when you set yourself up with that pro quality software. So that's a really cool thing to work towards. And in terms of increasing viewers, opportunities come your way when people trust you and you have that pro look. So James DeLong is one of our students, and he does crocheting live streams. He actually crochets while live, and people engage and they help him when he gets stuck, and he teaches them, and it's like a whole big community, and it's amazing. He does a fantastic job with it. He put a lot of effort into his quality. It looks fantastic, and he's grown a big audience because of it. And in fact, Facebook themselves came to James and said, you know what, James, we would like to share your story and your streams with our audience, with Facebook's audience. I mean, how could you go wrong, right? Like, how amazing is that? So because James put the effort into his pro quality, that attracted more viewers. That then attracted Facebook, which then attracted more viewers, right? So it's a whole cycle of things happening that just happens. I'm not telling you Facebook is going to come to you, but other opportunities might. And the third thing that's going to happen when you have pro quality is that you are going to increase your revenue. Yay! Money, 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 money. Again, pro equals trust. So when people trust you, opportunities come out of that. Let me give you a few examples. One, Barry Friedman. He is one of our students who actually wasn't even live at the time that this opportunity came. He does his live streams. He's set up with a great level 4 studio, but he actually brought his studio into his Zoom call when he was having a meeting with a potential client. And they were blown away, like mind blown. This guy, look at him. We all have bad quality audio, bad lighting, bad video, and this guy's coming in here looking like that. Signed a $100,000 contract on the spot. I am amazing, right? Barbara Woods is another fantastic example of financial opportunity that came her way because of the way her live streams looked. She landed a $25,000 per training contract. So $25,000, then another $25,000, then another $25,000 for as many trainings as she did because of her live streams and the pro quality. And she wasn't even at a level 4. She was at a level 3. And one of our other level 3 students, Christina Etheridge, landed an opportunity to speak at a Dave Ramsey event because one of the team members watched her live streams and they were impressed with her. They trusted her. And in fact, sometimes she even streams at a level 2, not a level 3, but she knows the quality efforts to go through so that she still looks great, right? These are things that can happen to you. We hear it time and time and time again, how our viewers and our students are landing opportunities, whether that's media opportunities or actual revenue opportunities that will grow their business. And remember, the first step in getting to a point where you can land opportunities is to take the tech workshop that we have, livestreamingpros.com/tech. Super quick, super easy. Just get started and know what to pay attention to with your audio and your lighting and your video quality. And that will make the biggest difference right now. And you can increase over time. Don't let any of what you want in the future stop you from taking action right now. Are we in agreement? Give me a big yes in the comments, please. I want you to commit to taking action right now. And be sure to join us on our Friday live shows. We are live every Friday at 10 a.m. Pacific. Can't wait to meet you there. Bye.
I don't know how to end these. Have an awesome day.
Love ya. 2 thumbs up. One if you got them. No, that was opposite. I don't know how to end these stupid things. They're not stupid.